MP of Rajya Sabha Maharaja Leishemba Sanajaoba has been conferred Honorary Doctorate degree of Webbic University, Republic of Ghana in recognition of his continuous works for betterment of community. According to a statement released by media advisor of MP Maishnam Sivdatta Luang, the degree has been conferred during a program held at Constitution Club of India, New Delhi, which was organized by Lata Foundation in association with Journalist Council of India JCI on May 5th. It may be recalled that the World Human Rights Protection Commission WHRPC had also conferred honorary doctorate degree to Sanajaoba Leishemba for recognition of his commitment to development of social work worldwide on October 23rd of 2021.